Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to create a poll on Instagram application. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your Instagram application, and the next thing you need to do is just make sure that you are stay in the home section. So the first way to create a poll, just need to open your story here and just create a new one, and they will be give you the access of these story sections. And if you already have the picture that you want to display into your story later on, you can just go click it. So basically this poll feature can be used for a mini game like a quizzes, or you can also use it for a mini survey to collect people perceptions. So here, after you got the picture, just go click this second icon over here, and you just need to find the poll, and then you just need to go click it, and you just need to prepare the question that you want to ask into your follower. Let's say here, what's this? And then you need to prepare the option. The first option, you probably give them an option about the coffee, and the other one is cocoa, and so on and so on. And then you just need to go click done. So you can also adjusting the size by pinch width of your finger into inner side to make it like smaller and outer side to make it bigger. So you can also place them into the specific area that you want to put on your Instagram story, and whenever you're done, you just need to go click add to your story. So whenever someone give their response by clicking the option, they will be pop up like this, and you can analyze which options that has a higher or the highest point. So that is the first way. And the second way is creating the poll for asking people or a group to about choosing things. So here you just need to open your group, and then you just need to go click this icon, and of course the same click this poll, and then you just need to create the questions. And then you just need to give in an options. And then you just need to go click create poll, and you just need to wait until your friend give their response. So that is the way how to create polls in 2 ways in Instagram. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.